Can someone please tell me what this weird ass bird is doing? I think he wants to get on the Greyhound. Look, you see him? What's you doing, baby? You want to go on the Greyhound? What in the actual physic are you doing, my friend?
What are we trying to get in there to get?
What are you doing, honey? You can't go through there. I just have questions. Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Look, he made it. He's having fun, I guess. Are you having fun? Oh, you having fun? Cool. I still don't know what the hell this bird is doing, y'all. Look at this shit. Are you having a problem? How can I help you? Dude, what's wrong with this bird? Seriously. I have questions. What is the bird doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, bird? Huh? Oh. Well, that's all you had to say. I didn't know that's all you were doing. I totally get it now. I completely understand. All right, well, we're leaving soon, so have fun. Love you. He's so cute. He does want to get on the Greyhound. Oh, the same bird keeps doing it every time you come here?
It's got a master. It's living on the
Yep. He's so cute. I'm putting him on my YouTube channel.
Those are the northern birds that are coming down here to hibernate.
Oh.